Hello guys, welcome back. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you one faucet website that you can claim multiple faucet with that website. Okay, and you can claim all cryptocurrency in that website. And this is a blog, and early this blog is making by me, and this is all earning ways you can earn from this blog. Okay, and this is all cryptocurrency available in this blog, and you can just click it and you can claim your free faucet. Okay, like this one, just I click claim, the blog will be open and I can claim my free faucet from here. And next one too, like this one is the next one. So I click, this blog will be open, and this blog will be every 0 minute 8 time claim. This is all about the ban but zero referral commission. Okay, and you can claim this one too, and this is all cryptocurrency. Just you can click claim and you can claim your free cryptocurrency from here. And this website tell you the timer, the claim, and all think about this. Okay, this website link available in description. You can click and you can come here and claim your free faucet. Bye bye for now.